Here's a quick fix on Apple Intelligence is not available when Siri is set to English. That means Apple Intelligence is available when Mac and Siri are set to the same languages. On my Mac, you can see a message like this. Let's move to the General option from the left sidebar. Select the Language and Region option. Here, as you can see, my Mac set on English S. If not, then set it from plus button given here. Find and add English as language. Wait for restart your Mac. Now, ensure that you have selected Region United States as well. That's an easy way to change it now. Under America, select the United States like this. Now, go back to Apple Intelligent and Siri option from the left sidebar. Select Language for English under the Siri request. As you can see, my Mac shows the Join Apple Intelligent button. If you are not getting it, please share your feedback and questions in the comment box. Click on it and turn on Apple Intelligent on your Mac if it's not showing or can't turn on. Force close system settings and try again. That's it. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates. As you can see, my Mac's Apple Intelligence is enabled with a toggle.